strong storm of wind and rain in the city of Rosario.
A strong storm of rain and wind affected the city of Rosario and the region this Friday afternoon. Strong gusts of wind were recorded, reaching 55 kilometers per hour, causing trees and branches to fall. There is also a large number of flooded streets as a result of the water falling in a very short period of time. In turn, power outages were reported in different parts of the city in the southern province. The National Meteorological Service issued an orange alert for storms this Friday afternoon for areas of the provinces of Santa Fe, Entre Rios, Córdoba and Buenos Aires, which also extends as a yellow alert to regions of Corrientes, San Luis, La Rioja, Santiago del Estero, Catamarca and Rio Negro.